Let's see. This one right here. I'm finding stuff like this all over the place, and I have absolutely no idea what it is. I just know that it is crystalline, and I keep finding it in a lot of different colors. So, if you are a Rockounder and any of this looks familiar to you, certainly drop something in the comments. Give me some clues, guesses, educated guesses, or just all around knowledge. And I just keep picking them up, keep picking them up, keep picking them up. It's gotten to where, like, I've picked up so much of it that I can see it from a distance. And even the ones that are like cloudy and really warm, I can still see them. This is what the bucket of water looks like. These rocks that we collected yesterday have been soaking overnight in just Dawn dish soap and water. So I scrubbed some of them last night, and there were just so many that I got tired and went to bed. So I figured I'd let these soak and then get started today. So that's what the water looks like. I can't wait to show you these. So I stopped in the middle of cleaning this because I'm not exactly sure if I got a before picture of it, so I wanted to stop where I was at. This whole thing was pretty much like almost even rounded out with all of this. All of this was caked up. And the ends, yeah. So down inside of each of these little holes is just thick deposits of this. Part right here, I have already gotten, like, I used some toothpicks, these skewer sticks, and I've just been kind of digging it out and easing it out, and yeah. So you see how cool that is. So what I'm hoping is that I can get all of these clean at this level or better, but outside, that it keeps this coloration. I'm sure it will, because just for how tiny these cracks get down to, there's no way I'm going to be able to remove all the orange on it until you can kind of see the whole makeup or the why it's this way, because this is, you know, it's porous and spongy, so it's like just yeah. Also, a lot of it is, as it's getting wet, it's like crumbling out. So we'll see what it ends up at, but I wanted to jump in the middle of this one because this has been a very interesting rock to clean so far. It requires time and patience, and also a bit of just like curious excitement about how it's going to turn out.